Listening practice. Exercise 1. Listen to track 14 about there is, there are, there was, there were, and there will be, and repeat the reading out loud. I live alone in a small apartment downtown. In the apartment, there are 2 bedrooms, there is a kitchen, there is a bathroom, and there is a living room. In one of the bedrooms, there is a bed, there is a desk, there isn't a guitar, there aren't some drawers to keep my clothes, and there isn't a clothes hanger. In the other bedroom, there was a sofa, there were some curtains, and a small table. In the kitchen, there weren't appliances, there was a sink, there wasn't a blender, there wasn't a cooker, and there wasn't food. In the bathroom, there will be some toiletries, there will be a shower next week, there will be a toilet, there will be a sink. In the living room, there weren't chairs, there was a TV, and there was a fridge.